Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. If you've ever looked at an AHU chilled water piping connection and felt confused by all the valves and fittings, this video is for you. Let's quickly learn the names and pictures of the most common AHU pipe hookup components in just a little time. AHU coil. Chilled water pipe with jacketing. Two-way motorized valve. Balancing valve. Gate valve. Mini ball valve. Pressure gauge. Thermometer. Y strainer with drain valve. Flexible connector. Automatic air vent. Dielectric union. 90-degree elbow. T. Nipple. Bushing. These are the most common chilled water AHU pipe hookup components every HVAC technician and engineer should recognize. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more HVAC and MEP engineering content.